farm dairy shop delivering fresh milk to your customers daily? Use this milk order form to take milk orders online. With this ready-made template, you can quickly change it to add your products and set up inventory every day. At any point of time, your customers will be shown what is available at your farm dairy shop. This order form has inbuilt automatic calculations, so your customers will know the order total and the summary of the order before they submit the orders to you. Let's get started. We're doing this in 3 steps. Step 1. We'll copy this ready-made milk order form template. Step 2. Let's see how you can customize this template to add a new product to the list. Also, we'll see how you can set up daily stock or inventory. Step 3. At the end, let's preview the final form and test it by placing a sample order. And we'll see how you can share this form with your customers. Now, on step 1, let's make a copy of this template. On Neartech's grocery website, click on Create Order Form. On this template gallery, scroll down to the Dairy Products Order Forms category. Then choose this milk order form template here. This order form template has a set of milk varieties. You can check the various functional and technical features available with this template here. To make a copy, click on the Use This Template button here on the bottom right of the page. Change the title to your shop name. For example, I change it to Freshbrook Farm Shop. Then choose your currency. I'm changing it to Euros. For now, let's leave the language as English. Click on Confirm. It is now preparing your form. Alright, it is copied now, and this is your own order form. This form is in edit mode already. You see the little gear icons here? You can click on these gear icons to make changes to the items. Now, let's move on to step 2. Let's customize this form to add a new milk product here. To add a product, scroll down below all the available products and click on Add Product button here. On the sidebar, type the name of the product as the title. For example, I add cashew milk. For this option, sold by, click on Quantity and click on Next. For this option, do you have different sizes of this product? I click on No, meaning that it is available in just one size. Now, cashew milk is added to the list. And here, I'll upload the image of the product. I add the description as cashew milk in 1 liter carton, loaded with vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and other beneficial plant compounds. I add the price as 10 euros. Now that I've shown you how to add a new product, I'll show you how you can set today's inventory of the cashew milk that you have in stock. Click on the gear icon next to cashew milk. On the sidebar, click on the Advanced tab. Then, tick the option Enable Inventory. Once you check this option, you can now mention the quantity that you have in stock. I now add 4. That means the customers who came in first to order can order up to 4 of these cashew milk products. Then, when there is 0 stock left for the next customer, this product will be hidden or not shown at all. Now that you have set up this form and the inventory of a new product, let's move on to step 3. Let's see how to preview and test this form before you share it with your customers. On the menu bar at the top of the page, click on Preview. In this page, you can preview how your order form will appear in the desktop, tablet, and mobile as well. Here, you can change the theme, color, and appearance of the form. Now, it's time to test it. On the bottom left of the page, click on this link to open this form on a new window. Here is the final form. I'll now act as your favorite customer Amanda, making an online order as your first customer of the day. As you're noticing here, the cashew milk is available in the list. Amanda is happy to see the product in your farm shop as she's been waiting for a long time now. She wants to buy 4 1-liter cartons, one for each of her family members. She filled her cart with these 4 quantity of cashew milk. She enters her contact details and address for delivery and places an order to you. She can see the order summary and the order total. This makes it easier for her to know what and for how much she owes you. All this while, did you notice that you did not do anything extra to calculate order amount and summary? Yes, all that is built in this milk order form template. and calculate it automatically for every order. At your end, you can go back to your order form and click on the Orders tab here to see the list of orders arranged like sticky notes in this easy visual dashboard. You can click on these sticky notes to see the order details. You can move them across the different columns and manage your entire milk order process from making to delivery. Now, let's come back again to see what happens when the next customer opens your milk order form to place his order. This customer John opens your form to see the list of items available for him to order. This time, because your earlier customer Amanda has placed an order for all the cashew milk you had in stock for today, John does not see the item anymore. So, this way, the inventory setting that you made earlier with the available stock quantity is reduced automatically when your items go out of stock. Now, let's see how to share this online milk order form with your customers. Click on Share from the top menu. You can simply share the link of the form to your customers on phone, social media, or share it via WhatsApp, or even embed it in your website. Thanks for staying with me to make your order form. Start accepting orders online for your dairy shop today. If you have any questions or need any help, send us email at support@neartile.com. We are happy to help. See you there.